So armyworm, I was saying it looks really good, but it's very dangerous to the crops. Thrips. Then we also checked out the shop. Mr. Moby has a shop which supplies these insecticides and pesticides to the farmers in the area. It is fully stocked with all the required pesticides and insecticides for the pepper growing. This makes it easy for his farmers which are in the area to be able to pick the required medicine when the time is needed for these medicines. And since he's in also this particular farming, he knows exactly what will work on what kind of attack. So this is his shop, which you can find in that same place where his collection center is.